I'm Inge. I'm studying AI design. A lot of companies are looking for some form of AI experience. Using ChatGPT with editing, language, and writing. AI is coming into every field that I know. It's so big and there's so much to it. We're learning just the amazing things it can actually do. You're so used to seeing the bad AI. You have to put in what you want, and then somewhere in between all the text you have that nugget, a golden nugget that you then use for something else. You as the person have to decide what that is. Because of the design part of the degree, I use it a lot for image generation. I've developed a brand, a compostable coffee ground eyewear. It's actually a project I worked on in my undergraduate, and I wanted to see what AI could do with the idea. Without AI, I was working more on the branding side of it, designing logos and everything. But here you're really getting into the visual representation of what this brand could look like, what the actual frames could look like, what the store could look like. I was completely intimidated by the video class, but I'm actually really enjoying it. It's about the storytelling and the basics behind it. It's not necessarily using AI to create film. It's about just getting into and thinking about what you're actually trying to say and what you want to communicate, and communicating with intention. That is a very valuable skill for any designer, and especially with AI. You want to know what you want to create before you start creating it. I showed some of my family the work that I've created, and they're like, that was done by AI? It can do a lot of great things, but it needs someone to kind of guide us. Everyone wants someone with some form of AI experience. So I think that will definitely help set you apart. You have to stay on top of what's happening in the world and in the sort of career that you want to go into.